moments later.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye. Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Shut down.
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
We are from Group 6 of the Introduction to ICT in ELT course. Meet our group members. I'm Husnul Khatimah Hidir.
I'm Winona Giza Baramuli. I'm Nathaya Haura and we are from class H24. In this video, we will present and reflect on a research article related to the use of information and communication technology in English language teaching. Enjoy for watching!
In this presentation, we will review a research article entitled Information and Communication Technology in English Language Teaching, Some Opportunities and Challenges. The article was written by Ambika Prasad Poudel and published in 2022.
The study focuses on the use of information and communication technology, or ICT, in English language teaching. Specifically, the research was conducted in higher education institutions in Nepal. The main purpose of the study is to explore how ICT is used in ELT and to identify the opportunities and challenges experienced by teachers and students in integrating ICT into English language teaching.
First, regarding the background of the study, ICT has become an important part of teaching and learning in many parts of the world, especially in developed countries. Technology is increasingly used to support language teaching and learning. However, in Nepal, although English is a compulsory subject, students' English proficiency is still low. The integration of ICT in higher education is still at an early stage. This situation creates a research gap. There is limited research focusing on the use of ICT in English language teaching in developing countries like Nepal. In addition, few studies discuss both the opportunities and challenges of ICT integration in ELT. Therefore, this study aims to fill that gap. In the literature review, the author explains that ICT plays an important role in language teaching and learning. Previous studies show that ICT supports learner-centered learning and encourages students to become more active participants. ICT also helps increase interaction and collaboration in the classroom. Students gain greater exposure to English through digital resources such as audio, video, and online materials. The literature also highlights that ICT can support the development of all language skills, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. However, effective use of ICT depends on how well technology is integrated with teaching methods.
Next is methodology. This study adopts a qualitative research design. The research is conducted within a constructivist paradigm which focuses on understanding participants' experiences. Data were collected using two main methods. The first method was a semi-structured interviews with English language teachers. The second method was focus group discussions with students. The participants are 2 English language teachers and 12 undergraduate students who were selected from higher education institutions that had access to ICT facilities. Data were analyzed using thematic analysis. Data were transcribed, categorized, and analyzed to identify key themes related to ICT use, benefits, and challenges. Results and findings. The findings reveal that ICT provides several opportunities in English language teaching. Teachers and students use ICT to access various learning materials such as e-books, online text, videos, and other digital resources. ICT supports the teaching and learning of all English language skills, including listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar. It also allows learning to be more flexible, as students can access materials beyond the classroom. Teachers use ICT for lesson preparation, classroom presentation, and communication with students. Overall, ICT contributes positively to the teaching and learning process.
Based on my experience in the ICT in ELT course, the findings of this study reflect similar practice in my learning context. ICT is used to support learning activities, access material, and complete assignment. However, this challenge mentioned in the study, such as limited skills and inadequate facilities, are also experienced in real learning situations. This shows that the issues discussed in the article are relevant and realistic. The study helped me understand that ICT integration in ELT requires not only technology but also proper skill and support. In conclusion, the study showed that ICT offers many opportunities in English language teaching. It supports access to learning material, enhances language skill development, and improves teaching practice. However, the study also identifies challenges such as limited infrastructure, lack of training, and insufficient support for effective ICT integration. The author concludes that successful integration of ICT in ELT requires proper planning, training, and institutional support. ICT should be used as a tool to support pedagogy and improve the quality of English language teaching.
Okay, that's it from our group. Thank you
everyone.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thank you guys. Sehat-sehat kalian dan jaga diri kalian. Dan ingat guys, kalian sudah melalui banyak rasa sakit. Kalian kuat, kalian bisa lalui lebih banyak rasa sakit itu. Karena sekali lagi guys, gue bilang ke kalian guys, Tuhan gak akan memberikan cobaan yang tidak disanggupi oleh hambanya guys. Semua yang kalian lalui itu guys sudah sejalan Tuhan. Dan Tuhan tahu kalian bisa melalui itu ya. Kalian kuat guys, thank you. Brando Winda, signing out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.